Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to highlight a rose that I just started growing in 2025, and that is Purple Queen. So this is a florist rose that I got from Grace Rose Farm. It is bred by Interplant roses, and they are from the Netherlands. It's been a very productive rose in my Zone 5A garden. I've gotten huge sprays of roses to cut on all season long, and I really enjoy the two-tone colors from this one. The rose is also thornless, which is a huge blessing in the garden. No one likes to be stabbed by thorns. This rose is unfortunately not very fragrant. Sometimes with florist roses, they have no fragrance, and that's because they are bred to have excellent vase life, which this rose does have.